2017.
Hello and welcome to my vlog. This is dOVERanalyst.
Straight up from Elephanta Caves, Mumbai, India, reporting live. I had gone to Elephanta Caves years ago, but now I am forced to go there again.
Did you see that? For the first time, I'm scared. I don't blame my mother for being worried at all. We took a 180 rupees luxury ferry ticket for Elephanta Caves.
From what I remember, it was a terrible experience, but let's do it. It's a 1-hour ferry ride from Gateway to Elephanta. So it's just a good idea to start early, right in the morning at 6 a.m. or so. Otherwise, you're also going to get the heat in the ferry and it's gonna be so hot. A baked potato.
So here's the thing. None of them actually know how to swim. I mean, I don't. I mean, I'm thinking for myself over here. But yeah.
We don't even know how to operate the life jackets. The last ferry that you can get to come back to land is usually at 6 p.m. in the evening, which is like the last option to come back from the island. Otherwise, you're gonna be stuck in the island. And just as you would have guessed, of course, I didn't have any time to do my makeup in the morning. So here I am doing it right in the sea. मतलब मुंबई बहुत कुछ सिखा देता है यार. आप अपना मेकअप भी कर सकते हो एकदम समंदर के अंदर. अब टैक्सी में कर लेते हो तो फेरी कौन सी बड़ी बात है ना? BuzzFeed मूविंग व्हीकल्स में मेकअप करने वाले वीडियोस बनाता है as if they are a dare, but we Mumbaikars just do it every single day. There are no seat allocations, so make sure the moment you hop in, just grab the best seat possible because it's first come first serve.
Get it over here, to Elephanta or Alibag or whatever, and then just whatever.
And nobody knows what to do with it. Technically, that's that, and this is
huge thing to walk up all those stairs. So we make it.
I mean, at least I hope so. Elephanta Caves are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a unique combination of the common stuff between Shaivism and Buddhism. Archaeological Survey of India and UNESCO kind of settled that it was built between 5th and the 6th century. The name comes from the elephant statue. The British tried to move it to England in 1864 and it broke. लेकिन फेविक्विक है ना? जोड़ जाड़ के चीजों मत उद्यान पे है अभी ये. They're just gonna be a baked potato by the time you reach there. Also, don't forget your sunscreen and your shades and your caps and your hats. But if you forget your hats, don't worry. Really. Most of Elephanta Caves are actually in ruins because the Portuguese used it for target practice. Literally, kyun yaar? I mean, this used to be a piece of art and it was literally carved from the entire piece of stone. Why would you use it for target practice? Whether or not you appreciate it, it is actually a fact that somebody has built it with so much of effort and skill that cannot be matched. We've arrived! But we have to jump from one ferry to another ferry so that we can actually step our foot on the land. One girl was actually wearing a cocktail dress and high-heeled shoes. Like, what? Wait, what? That is exactly what you should not be wearing for a trip like this. Sport your dirty sports shoes with anti-skid technology and superior grip because you know what? Safety first. Who's gonna judge you? The Khundar? Not really. Oh shit. The bowl is cute though. And this man was just petting the bowl. Yeah.
This was officially worse than Virar Local and we're just waiting for it to come and let's see if we can grab it this time. Thank you for ruining my shot. We did it! Can you believe that? We actually did it. This is like the third time part. Yeah. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. So like, if you have more people, what you gotta do is just put everyone in every coach and one particular day you're gonna fly with me. That's gotta be lit.
This was basically just $10 a ticket, but still, you know, once you paid it, you gotta take it, you know. BBC tendencies. We finally managed to take it. As if you didn't know, so I'm gonna tell you that. And this is the moving train. And this moving train has a lot of sound. Or so I hope.
There you go. Now you practice. Like, it's gonna be better than ever before.
It had been that long that we had been waiting, so it feels...
I mean, I'm just so excited that I'm actually sitting... I can't even begin to tell you like how happy I am that I'm actually sitting right here. Like literally, honestly, just sitting in the train and we are moving.
So exhilarating that we are actually moving. And yeah, it's quite fun because it's like a toy train after all. It's like a two-way ride. The $10 ticket can take you and bring you back, or you may choose to take the ticket and just walk, or you might just walk. And like I said, don't worry if you forgot your hats, because we got some. The hat guy was not letting us film at all. He was like, if you want to film, you gotta pay $50, and if you're buying it, you gotta pay $50. I'm like, wow. So it's the same price. Like if you buy it, it's the same price. So
Okay.
I'm gonna take this. Oh, this is not bad either. Actually, it looked so fancy, so princessy, that I couldn't really believe my eyes. It's just so pretty and beautiful and dainty. Something that you can't wear. And the black one is like, just sober, something that you can wear. It didn't fit me at all.
ऐसा ही ले रही हूँ मैं जो पहन के जा सकते हैं बाहर.
You gotta look at it from their perspective as well. If everybody just comes and films and goes.
नहीं ये मतलब बॉम्बे में पहन सकते हैं कि नहीं वैसा बोलो. ये यहाँ पे किसी काम नहीं आएगा. चल थोड़ा छोटा नहीं आ रहा है क्या?
Then they get nothing out of it. They have to have their own livelihood after all.
ये बट अच्छा लग रहा है ना भैया. ये एक ही साइज. You better ना.
I mean, we were officially allowed to film.
क्या black होता तो अच्छा होता.
You can't really wear it in everyday life in India.
Black होता. I told him to hold my hand. Look where he's holding it. अभी तो कहानी शुरू हुई है. You need a little bit of tea, a little bit of tea, a little bit of chai.
You can also get cha, scary.
अभी तो कहानी शुरू हुई है. You need a little bit of chai. And it's actually all over the place.
Fruits, all these little berries and stuff. Snacky. Bhutta, which is corn, roasted or steamed or whatever. You get that very easily over there.
Really good with the sunlight, right? It's looking amazing in the sunlight. This works better with the heat though. Look at my eyeshadow that I did in the boat, which you couldn't see. So yeah. Wow, I look so lit.
I heard that this tea really helped bring some strength into me.
This is lit also.
Like any form of liquid just really makes your day when you're just so much in the heat and stuff. This is the walkway that you any which way you have to walk after you get out of the train. So anyways, it's not like you're just straight away landing at the end of the cave. You gotta walk. That's why cocktail dresses and heels are not the best outfit for this adventure outing.
Seriously. Look at this. Like he came through this while this is actually open. Like unbelievable. That's exactly what happens when you're not paying attention.
These kids these days.
Selfies. I'm very happy. I hope they don't take this. Run. Yeah. We got a plane. That's a little weird though, because I actually thought that it's gonna be cheaper in Bombay and really expensive over here with that additional cost of making things available to you at that height. Wow. But they actually charged us less for it. And I have roamed the whole of Bombay and no, you don't get it for $100. You don't. Yeah, that's pretty cool because glamour prices for this is like about 250 to 300. That's what they would tell you, the starting price. Oh, I'm really amazed that they are actually charging so less because you know how it works? The price works by demand and supply. So if you're traveling that high up, so there's an additional cost attached to bringing the things up actually. So the Bisleri that we bought was $30 instead of $20. So that is how it goes. So every single thing is overpriced just because of the height at which we are actually getting it. So I don't know how this was cheap. The ultimate food test ever. This is biryani. You know what I'm talking about? Chicken biryani. Will it hold it? We'll see. Fine. What is this? Why is it like this? how do I actually take it? I mean, this is impossible. It's gotta be so bad for the. ऐसे हो गई. Some people were harmed in the making. उसको जरा क्लोज से दिखाना. पानी की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. 30 रुपए का पानी. इसकी एक बूंद भी गिरनी नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि ये जो 10 रुपए इस पानी में ऐड हुए हैं वो 10 रुपए एक बार मुंबई लोकल के अंधेरी तक जा सकते हो. 2000 किलोमीटर की बदली पानी चुना. एक इतनी लंबी यात्रा के बदले एक एक्स्ट्रा 10 रुपए पानी. ये पानी गिरना नहीं चाहिए. एक बूंद भी गिरना नहीं चाहिए. किसी भी कीमत नहीं गिरना नहीं चाहिए. मेरा मना हाँ घर के ना घाट के भाई. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. ये तो बस शुरुआत है. Shot number 100. Does this mean we have? Does this mean that we have reached anywhere?
हो आगा तुला परवा फोन पे बानेरला झाली ना जॉईन.